Alright, hey, it's Matt, Blind Guy's Garage. So today, it's going to be different. The next couple videos may be a little off because we're waiting on parts and all. As you know, we're waiting on a head gasket set for an old motorcycle. We're waiting on motors to come back from the machine shop. We're waiting on parts. And as you can look over my shoulder and you can see parts behind me. So, I'm probably 4 or 5 days ahead right now on videos, but I'm going to post this. So, post this video with the unboxing video. So what we're doing, we're going to show you what kind of parts we got coming in, and you'll be able to see what kind of projects we got going. If you look over my shoulder, for the time being, you can kind of see. Here's my old tractor, which I think I may or may not have shown yet. Yeah, I did. I got a video of it. I use it as a pack mule. When it's down, the four-wheeler's a pack mule. You'll see that too. So a bunch of boxes. This will be the next video here. So we'll bring it back. I've got some unboxing to do, and we'll bring you back as we go. So we're going to start with the first shipment we got in, which was yesterday, and start unboxing stuff, or 2 days ago, sorry, 2 days ago. Start unboxing some stuff and get some videos out to y'all so y'all see what's going on and what we got going. Today, it's going to be a little different. We've been waiting on parts continuously for everything, so we've got some stuff in it, as you can tell. We use the four-wheeler as a pack mule. It works okay. Not best for it, but it works. So we're going to kind of dig in and see what we got. I know what a couple things are, simply because they were open when I got them here. But we'll go from there. Some of it may be what we need, some of it may not be. I don't know what's in everything. I assume I know what's in a couple boxes. But we'll keep going. So let's open it up and find out what we got. These, I already know what they are. Pretty simple and easy. They are mini fuse blocks. We're doing wiring. When I add an extra circuit into a car and I just want to run a full fuse block on it. I like them. They're cheap, but they work real nice. They're good for a 6 circuit. I think these are good for 150 amps. So there's that. They come with a small pack of fuses, screws, and little things that show you what do they call those things? I don't remember what they're called. There should be 2 of those in here. There is two of them. So we'll ignore that. This is trash now. This I cut open. I think I know what it is. We'll see. It is. So here's a front wiring harness for the wagon. It's sitting outside right beside the shop right now. There's a front wiring harness for the wagon. And this is a engine harness for the wagon. So there's a brand new front harness that covers the entire front of the car. Pull these 2 out, set them to the side, and throw that away. And then this one, I don't know what's in here. So let's find out together. Let me grab a knife, razor knife, box cutter, whatever you want to call it. Yep, blind guy working it. Y'all just watch out. We have adjustable shock cups, shock mount, more shock. There's another adjustable shock cup. Hey, I know. See, once again, blind guys, we don't need to be able to see in the bag to know what it is. So now let's open it and actually show you that I know what it is. There it is. Oh, it is clear, see-through. Look at that. Oh, it's not. Come on, crack. Yep, see, it is see-through. I did not notice that. So there it is. Adjustable shock cups. That means this is going to be part of the 4-loop kit that we ordered for the Camaro. So these will be more shock spacer adapters and bushings and blah, 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 blah. Uh-oh. There's a busted open pack in the bottom of the box. We're not going to drag that out. Let's see what this one is. Razor knife, where are you at? Don't panic, I'm not a professional. Yeah. Springs, repair those. Well, I just got to tell you, I was exactly wrong about what was in these boxes. Because I was thinking it was other stuff. spring collars or shock collars. So that means there should be 2 of those. There is 2 shock collars. So that means this is everything to do the coilovers for the back of the 67. So I guess you get to see one of the things that's coming in the future right there. And this box is not currently open. Ooh, it sounds loose in there, doesn't it? So let's see. Yeah, don't worry. Blind guy knows how to use a razor blade. These are, I assume these are the upper sandwich mounts for the frame. I don't know. Made out of some nice thick quality, good quality metal though. Looks good. Is it supposed to be bent though? I guess it is because it's welded that way. I don't know. So I'm assuming these are the full length. These are what the full lengths bolt into. Because that's what I think all this is. It's going to be a full length kit for the Camaro. These are sandwich plates. Okay, so this is the mount that goes in the front-ish area of the car, and then these sandwich between the floor and the frame of the car, and that's what holds everything together nice and tight right there. So this looks like it's a bolt-in kit, which is kind of what I was expecting. I know there's going to be a little bit of welding and fabricating, but this will be a sweet kit right here. And then we have shocks. No name shocks. So that could be questionable in the future, but it'll work for the time being. Come on. Alright, let's see here. Let's dig on into this box. Just see what the quality is that we got here. This looks like a standard shock. Nothing real special about it. It does have a bump stop adjuster, so we'll be able to see how much compression we got. And it's got a single C-clip, not movable. It's a little on the cheap side, but let's see what kind of compression it's got. Alright, so you see the compression, and let's see what the rebound looks like. Huh. A little slow, but it's got it. So a little compression, a little rebound. And these are non-adjustable, so if we want to put adjustables, we'll have to buy those later. And then now we got this big heavy joker, which I guess is going to be the rest of the full-length kit. Where did I put that razor knife? Did anybody see it? Somebody tell me where it's at. Found it. Huh. Better work better now. There we go. Yep, this is the full-length setup, as expected. So the upper full-length bar, this is where the shocks mount, I think. And this mounts in, I think, like this. And the shock perches actually mount into these 2 holes here. I'm not really sure what these 2 things do yet. So the shocks will mount right here into the perch. And the rest of this, I'm not going to unbox the rest of this because we're not quite ready to use it yet, and I'll lose stuff, I'm sure, if I just start ripping it all out of the box. But I'll bring you over and let you kind of look down in here. Oh, here we go. And this is the important part, the diff mount. Yep, all that work we just did on that diff, it's going to get redone. So we can mount this here, and then we'll have a full-length setup for it. So shock will mount here. Diff will mount in the tube housing right here area, and then the full-length will mount here and here. This will be a nice setup. Should work nice. Look nice once it's all done and under the car. So this is good quality metal, solid. Looks nice. Some of the nicer stuff we've bought lately. And there's 2 of those. I already see the other one right here. It's on the other side. And then I'm assuming this is the big old box of bolts and other randomness. Yep, there's a lot of bolts and stuff in there. And shock adapters and blah, 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 blah. I'm sure all this is going to be adjustable. Because you slide this out of the way. Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff in here. So I'm sure there's more stuff on its way. I've ordered. But here's part of it. We'll get this stuff thrown in the trash. And we'll go from there. So it's not a big deal, but gotta have parts to be able to work on stuff. I don't intend to do this right this second, but this might get done before anything else. So we'll see how that goes, and we'll keep working on it. All right, so there's that part right there. Got a little bit of a mess laying here. You can look in the box. The upper shock rail, lower brackets. Like I said, there's all kinds of stuff in here. That's a box of bolts. And then you have over here all the other stuff that we just drug out. So there it is. So there's that. I guess we'll bring you back for the next thing. But just gets it started. It's a nice little section of what we're going to do in the near future. Bring you back soon.